The Bushcrafty Talks.
Hey guys, what's up? Bushcrafty again with another video. Bushcrafty Talks. Boy, the storms are brewing, aren't they? We got one coming. I don't know if you guys can see behind me. It's coming. It was we had warnings last night saying it was going to last till 4 a.m. I was up at 4 a.m. It didn't stop. It went all the way to 6 this morning. But I don't. Storms are storms. It's part of life. It's one of those things. I try to not to, oh no, there's a storm coming, that type of thing. Got to try to, be aware of things, but not let it consume you. The world we're in right now, oh boy, so much. It used to be you would hear about one little thing and you go 3-4 years and then another bad thing come around. Now it's like every day you hear something, every day. And I don't think it's because the internet and all this stuff or being awake or anything like that, because I've always been to where the government is not very trustworthy. But yeah, a lot of people will get concerned about, I don't know who you were, but hi. A lot of people will get concerned and let things overwhelm their life. I'm not saying it's a bad thing or a good thing or shouldn't do it or whatnot, but life is short, and there's gonna be a lot of stuff in your life. And there's been a lot of stuff in your life, depending on your age. Why, I'm just learning this here, probably the last 20 years. Why consume your life with the negative that's going on in the world? I'm not saying that you can't be concerned about what's going on, because there's a lot to be concerned about. It's letting that all that's consuming you change you and stuff, where you're worrying and where your health gets compromised and things like that. That is what you don't want to happen. There's so many bad elements. There's people that come across your life that at the time you think, oh, such a horrible person, why are they doing this to me? I'm not mean, I don't do this to people, I don't, but they go after you, and some are, like, I'm a YouTube creator, so I'm a big target. But you sit there and think about it, 5 years down the line, do you remember those people? Some might. Some have done bad things and treated you really bad and stuff, but when you come right down to it, it's very, they're little things. People will find a way to trigger you, all kinds of stuff. Some people can be, just with their words and stuff and their actions and things that they do, can be very, very hurtful. You just got to remember, God gave you life. And this is if you don't believe in God or anything, but you were given life. And I say, because I do believe, God gave you life. And if you think you're such a bad person or things are so bad for you and everything, remember that He gave you life. He wouldn't give you life if He didn't think you were a very special person. And you are. You have to believe that you're special for something. Even these bad people that do these things to people, it's up to you to figure out what that special thing is. It could be just being nice to somebody that you don't know. You saying nice words and being there to talk to them, and that changes their life, and they change somebody else's life. And it's that what they call the butterfly effect thing. Butterfly effect, so many people think it's a bad thing, but I look at it as a good thing. So many things that can change the world and the world around you, just because you're there. You're that special of a person. And there are very bad people in this world that do bad things, that turn their special gift into something evil. And that has nothing to do with you. If you continue to be that special person that God made you to be. Anyways, I think this conversation kind of went wonky, but if God blessed you to give you life, don't ever think that you're special. You may not think that you're special to anybody, but you're here for a reason. And if you fixate on all the negative and stuff, you might miss that special thing that God made you to do, that path you to do it. I think that's about all I'm going to talk about. But anyways, just remember, you're special. You're very, very special. God bless.